All right, number 2, it says, suppose IQ scores have a bell shape. Okay, so when you see bell shape, we know that we're going to be using the empirical rule. So I'll go ahead and draw my bell curve in the beginning when I know bell shape. We have a mean of 97, so mean, mu equals 97. That's going to be my middle number, 97. Standard deviation of 12, so I'm going to write sigma equals 12. And it says, using the empirical rule, what percentage of IQ scores are greater than 61? So just greater than 61. Okay, so 97 is here. 61 is less than the mean, so I'm going to be subtracting 12 until I get to 61. So if I subtract the standard deviation one time, subtract 12 from 97, that would leave us with 85. So that's 1 sigma. Subtract it again, that would leave us with 73. So that's 2 sigmas. Subtract it again, and that will leave us with 61. Okay, so we subtracted sigma 3 times. We want to know how many people scored greater than 61. So starting from 61 and going this way. So we want all of this. We want all of this part right here. Okay, so here's how we can do that. One of 2 ways. I'm going to pull back up our breakdown. So since we went 1, 2, 3 standard deviations, I want to add up all of these numbers, and that's going to give me my total. Okay. The only other thing we can do is look at what we don't want, so the opposite. Okay, what is less than 61 is just this. So note that the whole curve is 100%. We're going to subtract this from 100, and that should leave us with the same thing. I will do both. Okay. So using this diagram, if we do 100, because this part over here is 0.15, and I want all of the shaded part. If I do 100 minus what I don't want, 0.15, this leaves us with 99.85%. Okay? And then if I do it just straightforward calculation, let me pull up the on-screen calculator. Okay, I'm going to add up all of these percentages. So we're going to do 2.35 plus 13.5 plus 34. And then remember, half of this is 50%. So if I added up all of these, that would just be plus 50. So I'm going to say plus 50 to shorten the work. Okay? And you still get the 99.85. So you got 2 methods. You can either subtract what you don't want from 100, because 100 is our total. Okay? Or you can just add up all the pieces. Either way, you should get the same result. So 99.85.